So in today's video, I'm essentially going to show you how you can link your Spotify to your Instagram notes. Now, the first thing I recommend doing is heading over to your app store. You want to then search for Instagram. And then once we search for Instagram, you just want to make sure that you are on the latest update. Because as you can see with the biggest update that's just recently come, you can link your Spotify to your Instagram notes. Now, if you are not on the latest update, you will not see this option. So the first thing to do is make sure you are on the latest update. Once we do this, we can then click on open. If we then head over to our notes, click on our notes option at the top. And then from here, you want to select the music icon. Now, once we click on the music icon, what you will now notice is that there is an option now to link Spotify. So all we simply need to do is click on this option. Once you get this, you will then be asked if you want to open Spotify. Now, what you can do then is you simply want to agree or log into your account if you're not already logged in. And then once we select agree, what that will then do is it will link our Spotify. Now, what you then want to do is you want to head over to Spotify and you simply want to start listening to any of your playlists. So I've clicked play on my playlist here. Now I need to head back over to Instagram. Now, once we do this, we can then close off everything down. And then if we go back over to our notes, so if we close it down here, click on music, click on share from Spotify. As you can see now, that will then show whatever song that you are listening to on your notes. And then you can then click on share. So once you click on share, again, as you can see, this will then appear on your notes tab. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can link and share your Spotify on Instagram notes.